Hi Anna, so this is quicker than showing you multiple 3D images. This is where we've got to, so this is quite a common approach. Just, you are going to be able to reach around that door and get to the light switch there of no consequence. I think we should go for that. I've repaced all the verticals slightly, so we're sort of tight on this edge and tight on this edge, so there's some symmetry there. I can sort this out, don't worry about that. Down here I've gone for, you might have noticed the track I had there before. I've gone for a slightly different mounting method on these 4 verticals, and what I will do is I will cut these off at a sensible position, and the cuts will be sort of nicely finished, and I'll just sort of lightly spray the cut with some hammerite or something like that. It'll look ever so slightly different from the rest of it, but I honestly think once you've got a few bits and bobs on there, you've got some cables and things in there going up to the TV, you're just not going to notice that. And obviously there's a change in the pace there, but again, dress it thoughtfully and you're not going to notice that. So I'm guessing you've got your 300mm surface here. These brackets are now 270, I think those are, I can't remember what they are, but they're 220, something like that. I guess this is where your bottles are going to go, up here. We can make a few final tweaks and changes, but we need to get this metalwork ordered. I want to do that today. So as I say, I hate putting people under pressure, but there really is some urgency. I'm going to send you this in the next few minutes with some screen grabs and a 2D. Let's push this through and get this metalwork ordered. Okay, speak soon. Bye bye.